Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be installing this.
It's a chandelier for a VIP look. In case if you guys don't know me, I'm John.
This is John, Cine Gangsta 707.
I drive the AVALON 99.
AVALON 99.
Yeah.
And I'm the vlogger.
He's the vlogger.
DJ,
the barber. AKA.
I'm not a car guy, I'm a barber. But yeah, today we're installing the chandelier light
I'm just trying to
for that VIP look for his car. Yeah, this is our first time doing this, so...
Yeah, I'm not gonna put the lights because I don't really care about that. I bought some small like LED lights that I can just put it probably like on top of here, like stick it. I'll show it to you guys later, but...
Explain what you're putting on right now.
So right now I'm putting the short ones. The short ones should go on the outer layer.
The outer layer,
right
like
here.
right here.
So I gotta put all this to like this little string, circle looking thing.
Okay, John, we got the
We got the first layer.
First layer right here.
We gotta do the second layer now, which is it's kind of long now. That's what she said, but it's this.
Okay.
Hey,
Oh,
cool,
so the longer ones.
Hey, look at that. That's crazy.
So the shorter ones are on the outside, and then it gets longer and longer
Until
when you get inside. That's what she said.
Okay.
So we just finished the second part.
Yeah.
So now we're going with
it keeps going. It's easy, but time consuming, bro.
Man, it's like
you gotta be patient when you do this.
Oh, we're on the last part.
Pretty much the last part.
Inner layer.
And there's a big one over here.
Hey John, where'd you get this idea from?
It's that one YouTuber, bro. Shout out to his name is Jason Nguyen.
Jason? Shout out Jason Nguyen. We're gonna put his link down below.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to you, bro. This is the double-sided tape, so he could stick it inside his headliners, and he could just take it off and put it back on.
Yeah.
Easily, without drilling anything.
Yeah, I feel like that's easier. And so, like, whenever I want to put it, probably like on the shows, I'll just like put it like that. Watch.
John, so what are we doing?
So right now we're trying to figure out how to like
keep the magnet on.
Yeah, and I'm trying to figure out how to like mount it, but we'll see this.
So we tried the double-sided tape, and
the magnet's too strong, bro.
The magnet was too strong to hold this whole thing, so we're using, what's that, Gorilla Glue?
Shout out, sponsor us.
Sponsor us. Gorilla Glue. So hopefully it stays up there, and then hopefully it could hold this thing, because this shit is kind of heavy. Sorry, it's blurry right now though.
Put 3 magnets.
So he put 3 magnets, but it was working with 2 magnets, but he's just making sure now.
Yeah.
So it's not wobbly and more stable.
Because this one is too high. I think I should put it to like this thing. I think I should put it down a little bit. But fuck it, it's okay.
You can always fix it. Okay, moment of truth.
I mean, it's fine. It's just this, yeah. But it's cool though. Because I'm not going to be driving like this. Bro, we just finished, bro. What do you think?
That shit is clean.
It's sick.
That shit is clean. If you're going for a VIP look, this is
30. I think it's like, I'll say 40 bucks.
40 bucks, and it's so clean.
But yeah, ready to show it?
Show them real quick. Alright,
That's it for today, bro.
that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this installation. And like, comment, and subscribe. Initiative out.